Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video of our series. So in this video we are going to add the data in the Firebase database. Okay, so we will be adding that functionality. So let us see how we can do that thing. Now let us close all the unnecessary files which we do not need. Let us close this app.js, and from the notes container and create note card as well. Okay, we simply need this create note modal because here we have this form. Okay, so see, first of all what you need to do is just go to the Firebase config file which we have created, and in this you can see that we have this app variable created. Okay, now see, in order to access Firebase in version 9 of Firebase, it is entirely a modular structure. Okay, so you need to import one function which is get Firestore from Firebase / Firestore. Now what this get Firestore function will do, you can easily create an instance of this Firestore database. Okay, how you will do it? Simply use create a variable const db equal to get Firestore, and this get Firestore you have to simply pass this app which you have created here on line number 19. And now what you need to do is simply export this db. That's it. Okay, now come to this create not modal file. In this, first of all just import this db. Okay, now after importing this db, what you need to do, see, now we are going to import some extra code from the Firebase. Import something from @ which is the, oh sorry, not like this, @ or you can simply say Firebase / Firestore. Now what are the things which we need to import? See, first is the collection, then second is add doc method, and third thing is the timestamp. Now let me tell you what are these three things. See, add doc is a method which we can use to add the document in Firestore database, and this timestamp is used to create the timestamp on the server. Okay, that the document which I have added is created at this particular time. Okay, and with the help of this collection you can simply access the collection. Okay, let me show you how you can do that thing. So above this formic I will create one function, const handle add functionality. It will be a arrow function and it will be a asynchronous function because all the things can be time consuming. Okay, and this function will accept one nodes object. Okay, now let us add the try catch for the better event handling. And first of all let me console.log the error. Now let me tell you one important thing, that we have also added one package which is this React-Toastify. So how we are going to use this Toastify? Let us go and check. So let us go to the React-Toastify. Now you can see that with the help of React-Toastify we can easily get these kind of notifications or toast messages. Okay, but how to use this? So here you can see the code. Now this is the CSS file of the React-Toastify which will give you this kind of appearance, and then we have this toast container and there's this toast. So this toast container is used to create these kind of containers. Okay, and this toast, this is a function which can be used to add these messages, okay, of any type, whether you want to add message of success type, error type. Okay, so this can be used for that. Now let us copy these both lines of code, go to the app.js, and in the app.js what I will do is just copy them at the top. That's it. Now see, we do not need this toast message here, function, sorry, and initialize it above this toast container. That's it. This is the simple step. Now we can access this toast function anywhere, and we can pass the custom message. We will see that how we do. Now see here at this line number 17, I am adding console.log error. So here I will simply now access that toast, and toast has error, and in this you will simply pass error. That's it. So if any error comes, that will be shown in the form of toast message. Okay. Now let us try to add the functionality. So see, first of all, simply write await. Okay. Why? Because this add doc method will return you promise, and it can take time to execute. Okay. Now in this add doc method, what you will do is just simply pass this collection function. Now what this collection function will give you, it will help you to access the collection. Okay, means this collection which we have created. Okay, see, it says that start collection. So if you can simply pass any name of the collection, click on next, and then you can easily add the ID. Okay, so that thing. But we are not creating any collection here, okay, because I want my collection to be created dynamically. Now this collection function take three things. Okay, now what are the three things? First is the reference of your database. So we are passing the DB here. Now second is the collection which you want to create. So the collection I want to create is the notes. Okay, and now after this collection, I forgot that this collection object only take two. This collection function takes only two things. One is the reference of your database. Second is the name of your collection. Okay, and this add doc function take two things. This collection and then the data which you need to add. Now what kind of data we will get? We will get this notes object. Okay, and this notes object contain only two things as we have seen here. One is the title and second is the description. But we have also imported this timestamp now. Then where we are going to use this? Now see, what I will do is I will create one object here, because we need to pass the object to this add doc function. Now I will destructure the entire notes object which we are getting here. Okay, and I will add one property name as created at, and I will initialize it the value with the timestamp.now method. That's it. Okay, that's the only thing which we need to do here. Now where we are going to call this handle add functionality, now just simply copy this function, and where you are adding console.log, paste it here. That's it, and pass this values object in this, because earlier we have seen that what this values is, it is an object which contains title and description. That's it. Okay, and when this thing works perfectly fine, after this I need to add the toast message of success, that note created successfully. That's it. Now we can simply close it. Now let us try. Test note 1, dummy note 1. When I simply click on this add note button, let us try to see what happens. Missing insufficient permission we get. Okay, so now the error is resolved. Now let us try to add the notes in the Firestore database. Okay, so what I will do is, let us try to add some title, test note -1, description will be dummy note 1. Simply click on this add note button, And now you can see that we have got this message, node created successfully. Now let us go and check in the Firestore database whether this data is present or not. So let us now refresh this, because this is our project itself. Okay, Bloggly video course. I am refreshing it. And that's it. Here you can see that we have got one collection which is notes, and this is the unique ID of notes basically, and these are the three information: title, description, and the created at field which you have created. This is the timestamp. Okay, and you can see when it is created. Okay, so yeah, this is working fine, but now let us fix some of the changes as well. Okay, the problem which we need to fix is, now when my note is added successfully, what I need is, first of all, I need to clear out all the fields, and after that I need to close this modal as well. Okay, because that is what we have seen. So how we can do that thing is, when you click on this button, okay, let me show you where your form is getting submitted here. After getting this toast message, first of all, you need to call one function. Function is toggle modal. And after this toggle modal, you need to call one more function which this formic has. And the function is formic dot reset form. What this reset form function will do, it will reset the entire form. Okay, means whatever fields are there, they will get empty. Okay, and this toggle modal function will close this modal automatically. Okay, so now let us modify the field as well. Test node 2, dummy data 2. Click on this. Now see, node created successfully, modal is closed, and all the fields are also empty. Okay, so this is how we can simply add the data using the Firebase. Now if I go and refresh this, now okay, see the benefit of the Firestore database, that we do not need to refresh our page. Okay, we have already got this second one. Let me show you by creating third one as well. Test node -3, dummy node 3. Let us create. Now you can see where it is, dummy data 3c. Okay, it is updating in the real time. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Okay, so in the next video, let us see how we can display all the data in our React application. Okay, here instead of these dummy nodes. Okay, so till then, stay tuned with this series. Okay.